Good morning. I'm in my workroom today and I'm about to tidy up and I'm going to do some alteration. So today's lesson is about people who have curtains and they relocate them to certain places. New house, new window in their house. So this job today is a curtain that I've made years ago, and she wants a new one for the third time, and I will show you all the curtains that I've made for her over the period of maybe 14-15 years. So the living room and dining room, they had two sizes. So the living room and dining room are going to put together and go into a large window, making two pairs of curtains for one large windows, and in each one of these curtains are, say, 6 joining per pair. So that's quite a large window, but one of them is 87 inches tall and the other one is 103 inches tall. So what I'm going to do now is we've bought some extra fabric to go at the bottom of one of them, and I'm going to add it on in a contrast. But the problem lies is that the other curtain, which is 103 inches long, is not going to have a border at the bottom. So I'm going to first do one pair of curtain and we're going to put them at either side of the window, which is a bay window, and see how that looks at the bottom when it's brown and then goes back into its ordinary fabric. And if she doesn't like it, we've got extra fabric to amend that, but it's getting quite costly because she's doing the whole house. So here beginneth. So I'm going to tidy up my workroom. There's her fabric there. That's her fabric there, and I'm going to put a picture of it when it's all finished, made of the original ones, and you'll see that. So let's get this table cleared. That fabric at the back is her fabric as well. So that is for the new curtain where she's replacing these ones. Let's get started.